Hello guys, welcome to Pinaki Yoga. I am Vijeta, your yoga trainer for today. Core is the center point which connects upper and lower part of our body. Strong core is responsible for stability in our body during every activity. Not only exercise but our day-to-day movements also depends on our strong core. Today we are going to learn few asanas about core which will enhance and boost your core strength.
Sit in Padmasana. Place the palms on the floor beside your thighs. Now inhale deeply and raise the whole body from the floor, balancing on the arms. Hold your breath and swing back and front between your arms. Slowly exhale and lower down your buttocks. Rest in sitting position. Practice 3 to 5 rounds. Bend your knees and keep your feet half a meter apart from each other. Hold your big toes. Slowly lean back. Inhale and raise the legs upward. Straight and wide your legs. Balance on your lower back. Keep your spine straight, chest out, and hold for few seconds. Slowly exhale and bring the legs together at the center. Keep them down on the floor. Practice 5 rounds. Practice while keeping your back against wall if you are not able to balance. Bend your right knee. Bring your right feet close to your chest and stretch completely. Place your inner knee of right leg on the right upper arm as high as possible. Place both palms flat on the floor. Slowly inhale and with the force through hands, raise the whole body. Try to balance and slowly exhale. And slowly keep your butts down. Relax and repeat the practice with the other side. Practice 2 to 3 rounds. Slowly bend both of your knees and keep the inner knee of both legs on the upper arms of both hands as high as possible. Place both palms flat on the ground. Slowly inhale and raise the whole body. Straighten your knees and balance your body on both hands. Slowly exhale and come back to the ground. Practice 2 to 3 rounds and relax.
Hope you guys like the video. Do share your comments in the section below and also your queries regarding yoga. I'll meet you soon in the next video. Till then, take care and stay fit.